So guys, I'm going to beautify these slippers from Primark. I'm just I want to make nice sandals for my holiday. So you know, I had a cardigan this color, so I used to cut it into stripes that I will use to decorate these sandals, because anything striped, I love stripes. Okay, look at that bag. I'll turn this camera, hold on. That's my tote bag. I love things with stripes. So I'm going to beautify these sandals. I just bought them for £3 in Primark, but I'm going to make them look expensive, and I'm gonna wear these on my holiday. So watch as I transform these. So I've made this strip from the cardigan, and I'm going to be using this to decorate this. So it's quite long, look. Right, here it is. So I'm just going to put it there.